Hello everyone, it's Chloe here and welcome back to my channel, and today's video is pretty much going to be my first time ever doing. Today I'm doing a hair video. This sounds crazy, but since my hair is getting a lot longer than it has been in the past, I want to try and do some new styles with it. I found a video on YouTube the other day and I want to copy some of the looks, because pretty much the only looks I do with my short hair is either slick it back or do a half part, pin this side back, and then like let this side like live its own life. I found a video by Jack. I used to watch her so long ago, like when I was like 12. She recently shaved her head pretty much roughly the same time I did, which is fantastic. I love that. So she has a video about simple hairstyles to do when your hair is this short. This is my 8th month of having my hair shaved. It's actually today that I'm filming this, so it's been 8 months. So this is 8 months of hair growth. I'll obviously do my 9-month update when it gets to it. I always do my videos like that. If you want to see me shaving my head, my 3-month update and my 6-month update, I'll leave them all down below. But today we're going to try out some hairstyles because my hair's acting up and I don't know what to do with it nowadays. So this video is going to be a lot different, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. My hand is really dirty. Ew. It's going to be a very different video, but I think it's going to be really fun because I need some new looks and I might as well just freaking do it, you know? I thought it was going to be a fun video to film. So if you also want to know how I create this look, I'll leave it down below as well. But if you want to know how I try and do some hairstyles, just keep on watching. I'm gonna watch the video on my phone, but I'll put it on the screen so you guys can actually see it. Okay, so this is the first look. Okay, wait. Okay, wait, I need to half my hair. So, half my hair. I'm probably gonna do some of her looks and then just do some random ass looks because I really want to straighten my hair, just see how long it is straight, because it is kind of curly and I have really naturally straight hair, so I actually want to see how it looks dead ass straight. It's a little bit dirty today, so ignore that. Usually I just pin this part back and leave this. That's my go-to look nowadays, but if I can make a new look from Jack, then I'll do it, you know? See how like crazy this looks? It's gonna be fun. Okay, I have my part now. What do I do now?
Just twist the hair. You don't really have to. You could just pull it back,
all
whatever.
of it.
And then use your index finger to slide open the bobby pin.
Okay, whoa.
Slide that in. And I just think it's adorable.
Shit. Okay, hang on. Jesus, you're fast. Okay, and then she just puts the other one right next to it. Okay, well that's not too bad, but like what do I do with all this? Just leave it? But that's the first look she did. These are just kind of simple, like to do when your hair is growing out. I have a bunch of bobby pins here, and I have these clips too, which I got from Boohoo. You guys know if you did watch the video. So I have a bunch of hair clips here. I have water and I have like 3 different brushes. So I'm prepped. So let's move on to the next one. Let's take these bad boys out and see where we go from here.
Hairstyle number 3, flower clips. So flower crowns are super cute to wear.
I don't have any.
Short. But now let's do one where we pull the bangs completely back.
Oh!
So
yes. Okay.
Just kind of, I don't know, use your hand to grab this front section.
It's so curly.
And then smooth out all the other hair. Smooth / fluff it up.
Wait, do you twist it?
Bobby pins, I feel like it's easy to just use your teeth, but with the
this looks disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
And fluff everything else, and that is it for this hairstyle. You could definitely do a decorative barrette if you want to, but
bitch, I look like the person from Whoville. My side pieces curl up, hers go directly straight down. So can you see this? This shit is not fun. So I'd probably have to straighten it if I wanted to do this look, but I'm probably going to straighten my hair later on. This is not going well for me.
You can definitely tuck your hair behind your ears for this, give it a more polished look.
I look weird.
Okay, so for the rest of these hairstyles, we're going to focus on the actual mullet part of our hair.
Gersh. Billy Ray Cyrus who?
The one hairstyle I've been loving is actually doing little pigtails.
I'm sorry? I don't have hair ties. Give me a second.
And for this, I use the big old hair ties, just the regular big hair ties.
Okay, well, first of all, it looks stupid because this is so long. Her side parts are so short, like not so short, but shorter compared to mine. So I'm just gonna like pin it back. Oh my god, this looks disgusting. Because this is just a lot of fun to do because I didn't know if it would look good on me because we had different hairstyles, like not hairstyles, but like hair looks, I would say. I'm just doing random shit right now, honestly. But that's a pigtail. Can you even see that? Because I have my necky hair. I haven't even thought about doing this, honestly. Look at that curl. See why I want to straighten it just to see. It's okay. Hers looks much better than me. Mine's right at the back. Hers are like out here.
So
oh shit.
Hairstyle I've been wearing a lot, and I like wearing this a lot when I wear hats.
I think I have a hat. I don't know if it's going to look good though. I'm more a beanie person, but I did buy this when I had purple hair. That's why it's a bit purpley. I have a big head. I'm going to take this off now. I just don't understand how she can look so good. And then there's literally me. What's the next one, Jack?
Alright, the next hairstyle I like to do is just a regular basic ponytail. And this one I usually only do if I am, again, wearing a hat. There we go. We've got our little ponytail.
My side pieces are doing my actual knot. I don't wear hats on the regular basis. I don't suit hats. Next.
This is the hairstyle that I've been wearing the past few days.
Okay, hang on. Let me just do whatever you just did then. So the bobby pin is my flower clip, okay? I don't have flower clips, alright?
Okay, so we got this top part all nice and fluffy, right?
Maybe.
And for this, you want to use a little tiny black hair tie, or one that matches your hair. So I'm going to
that's going to happen.
One. You don't want to use the thicker ones. You want to use the thin ones.
Got it.
We're going to try and conceal the mullet as best as we can.
How?
So I'm going to gather it all into a ponytail. I take this and I just pull it up, and I bobby pin the little tail. And I
get out. Is that impossible with my hair?
The little layers, like I kind of just fluff it up back
Oh my
here.
god, I'm so scared. That's basically all she did, but that's the other look. See, my side piece is so big, like so long, but that's the back. Probably not cute. What I'm going to do is take all of this out, start from scratch, and just play around with my hair. It's going to be a really odd video, but like, it's fun. So this is my hair. I've tried some styles. I did actually do this on live stream last night. I did a middle part, and I put two little fancy clips, the little clippy ones, in my bangs. So I'll probably do that again this time around, but I want to straighten it. We're going to straighten it, and I'm really scared. So I don't actually own a real straightener, so I'm using my InStyler, because again, I have really natural straight hair, so I don't really need a straightener, but I have this just in case, because this does curl my hair as well, so it does both. So it works, so I'm going to use it. I don't even know how to straighten this properly. The back is really straight. I'm not really focusing on that. I'm just going to split my hair in the middle. That's not the middle. This is exciting. So this is basically a good thing to show you how long it is. This part's really long, and then this, it goes like up, which is not fun for someone that just wants it to stop. You know, like I want to grow this out for my birthday, because I really don't know how to style it for my birthday. I really want to bob like here, and I really hope it's going to grow, because if it doesn't grow, I don't know how I'm going to style my birthday hair. You're going to hear this noise, but I think it's going to be okay. This is kind of going to be hard because they're so small. Oh god, what the fudge was that? There's hair going in my eye, and it's not a good look. See how it curls? I don't want that shit, okay? I look crazy. But I'm gonna grab a piece of this and just hopefully not burn my face off. I don't think this is going really well. Like, it's actually doing something. Probably not what I want it to do, but it's doing something. I think it's actually a cute look. But this is the difference. It's doing something. Oh, I look like I'm part of NSYNC in the 90s. This looks crazy. But if I just like comb this down, doesn't look too bad except these like sticky out bits. But like, it's not bad. Like even if I just pin the parts back. So let me try this. I have water here. I usually always wet my hair and then comb it. Just because when it's dry, it's a lot harder to manage. And then it dries in place, if that makes sense. I think this is okay. I really do think it's okay. It looks a bit weird though, because I haven't done it in so long and it just looks weird with short hair. Like this is actually really fun just to sit back and play with my hair. I love a middle part. Like you guys know I used to rock a middle part all the time. I think I might do this look often. I'm going to take these pins out. That is heart. You want to see how my hair looks with the side fringe now that it's kind of straightened. Oh my god, I have so much hair. Okay, that's a lot easier. So this is straight now. I look like an emo kid. But look how straight this is. I can easily pin this back now. And like this isn't curling. I know you guys like the curly fringe, but sometimes I just don't want that. Oh, even that's kind of cute. Oh, I don't know. This is my go-to look. Just pinning this back with just some fancy clips and then letting this side roam free. Like that's what I usually would do. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling the middle part. I don't know. I think I am. I think the middle part is probably my favorite. It's not really in the middle, Chloe. I did this on live stream last night. I got my like these little clips that I got from Boohoo and just literally clipped it like so. Because everyone's doing this look now, but they have obviously longer hair. I think it's kind of cute, and like leave these parts just hanging down. I think the middle part looks are my favorite because when I leave my hair roaming, I look like Steve Harrington from Stranger Things. My hair is that long. So when I wake up, I just have like this big fluff of hair and I'm just like, oh, okay. When I slick it back, I just always want something more than just having it slicked back. And because it's long enough to do hairstyles now, I can do this, but it's just like, do I want to? But having it straight is so much easier, so I'll definitely have to start straightening it until it gets a lot longer, because I do want it a lot longer. Like I know you guys keep asking me, I do want it as a bob, and then I'm going to decide if I want it to grow out like my back or whatever. But for my birthday, which is October, I want it here so I can do something with it. Like I want it like here, or like a bob, like something that I can do something with it, and like put it half up or half down or something like that. When I can be able to put a bun on the top of my head, I'll be very, very happy. But that's pretty much this video, guys. I know it's kind of short and boring, but I thought it was going to be really fun just to test out some new looks. I know you guys are liking the journey that I'm having with my hair, but like sometimes it gets really effing annoying. No, but seriously, I think it was really fun. If you want me to do this when my hair gets a little bit more longer, let me know. I never do hair videos, so I'm just like, oh, okay, cool. Stepping up in my YouTube game. I know probably a lot of people won't like this video, but I wanted to do it anyway because why not? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. I'll link the video that I used for Jack down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very different, so if you did watch it, thank you. All my social media links are down below in the description box. Like always, if you want to follow my hair journey, check the Instagram out because I post regular photos with different hairstyles every single day. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make 2 videos with you guys every Monday and Thursday. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.